This is Wealth Files, where financial truth replaces financial noise. Did you know Goldman Sachs once created billion-dollar investments designed to explode? In 2007, Goldman built something called Abacus. They told European banks these were top-rated mortgage investments. But Goldman's internal emails called them shitty deals destined to fail. Here's the genius part. Goldman collected millions in fees for creating these packages. Then they secretly bet against their own products. They made billions when everything collapsed exactly as planned. Hedge fund manager John Paulson helped pick the worst mortgages possible. He knew they would default because that was the point. Goldman earned money selling the investments. Goldman earned money when those same investments died. The government fined them $550 million, but Goldman had already made over $4 billion in profits. They turned client trust into a two-sided casino. Heads they win, tails you lose. The ultimate wealth extraction machine. Subscribe for more Wealth Files stories.